Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
Hello guys, you are welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Solution Hub. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use an app called X Downloader on PC. This app can be used to download content from Instagram, Spotify, and YouTube in different formats, be it audio or video format. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the business. The first step is to grab the link to download the file in the description box for this video. After downloading the file, install it and follow the steps that I'll be showing you now. I have the app installed on my PC already. What I have to do now is to go to my desktop and look for the app.
Folder view list.
The name of the app is X Downloader, so I'll be pressing X to locate the app on my desktop.
X Downloader 9 of 46.
So this is X Downloader. I'll be pressing enter in order to launch it.
X Downloader, edit read-only multi-line developed by Mirage to Team SP.
We are in the interface of the app now. To navigate through all the options in the app, you can use your tab key. Let us navigate through all the options first before we go into the details on how to use the app.
URL, edit blank.
So this is where you are going to paste the URL of the content that you wish to download. This is where you are going to paste the link.
Download, Alt+D, button.
We have download button here.
Close, Alt+C, button.
This is close button.
Choose your platform, combo box Instagram collapse.
This is where you are going to choose the platform that I want to download the content from. It will be on Instagram by default. To switch to Spotify or YouTube, you can use your down arrow key. So I will use my down arrow key to navigate to YouTube because that is where I will be downloading the content from for the sake of this tutorial.
Spotify, YouTube.
So I'm on YouTube already. So let me press my tab key once.
Select format, combo box audio collapsed.
This is where you are going to select your format. Whether you want to download the audio or video. We have video. This is video.
Audio.
Then this is audio. I'll be leaving it on audio for the sake of this tutorial.
Edit read-only multi-line developed by Mirage to Team SP.
So we don't have anything to do here.
URL, edit blank.
So this is where you are going to paste the link to the content that you wish to download. This is where you are going to paste the link. I have the link on my clipboard already. So let me paste it here by pressing Ctrl V.
Pasted.
So let me check if I have it there.
URL, edit focused HTTPS.
So that's the link. I'll press my tab key to download button and press enter on it, or you press the key shortcut Alt D.
Download, Alt+D, button.
So this is download button. I'll be pressing my enter on it.
Downloading dialog, downloading YouTube content in progress, OK button.
So I'll press enter again.
X Downloader, download, Alt+D, button.
So let's wait for some seconds in order for it to download the file for us.
Download finished dialog audio download, MP3, completed, NVDA keyboard shortcuts to read text with .mp3, OK button.
So that's the audio that I just downloaded. So it has finished downloading the file. So let me press enter on that OK button.
X downloader. Download Alt+D button.
After downloading the content, check it in your download folder in the disk PC. So let me go and confirm it whether I have it there.
Folder view list. X download.
So I'll be pressing T to locate my disk PC.
MPT. This PC 1 of 46.
This is my disk PC. I'm pressing enter.
This PC window. Tree view. Items view list.
Let me down arrow to my download folder.
Desktop 2 of 9. Documents. Downloads 4 of 9.
So I'm pressing enter.
Date. Tree view. Items view list. Today grouping expanded. NVDA keyboard shortcuts to read text with .mp3 not selected 1 of 27.
Yeah, this is the file that I just downloaded using the app called X Downloader. If I want to play it now, I'll just press enter on it in order to play it. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are watching us for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our channel, drop your comment, like our video, and share our YouTube channel with your friends. Thank you for watching. God bless.